Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 9. Okay, I am going to teach Act 2, Scene 9. The scene takes place in Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Enter Nerissa with a servant. Okay, now you all know who Nerissa is. That is Portia's lady in waiting. Clear? Now Nerissa is telling her servant, quick, quick, I pray thee, draw the curtain straight. Okay, Nerissa is telling her servant, I request you, be quick, pull the curtains without delay. Prince of Aragon has taken his oath and he is coming soon to make his choice of the casket. Now enter, okay, the Prince of Aragon, Portia and their trains. Okay, there is a flourish of corners. Now Portia is telling Prince of Aragon, behold there stands the casket. Okay, Portia is telling, look there stand the casket. Noble prince, if you choose the correct casket which contains my picture means Portia's picture. Okay, our marriage ceremony will be solemnized. Now nuptial rites means marriage ceremony. Okay, straight shall our here refers to Portia and Prince of Aragon. Okay, their marriage ceremony will be solemnized only when Prince of Aragon would select the correct casket. But if you fail, but by chance, if he fails to choose the correct casket, immediately he has to leave that place. Now Aragon is telling, I am enjoined by oath to observe three things. Okay, three things he has to observe. Now which are those three things? First, never to unfold to anyone which casket I chose. Okay, now he cannot tell anyone, okay, which casket he has chosen. Next, if I fail of the right casket, never in my life to woo a maid in way of marriage. And lastly, if he fails to choose the correct casket, he has to leave that place immediately. Now Portia is telling that everyone who comes to choose a casket in order to win Portia has to swear to obey these directions. Now Prince of Aragon is telling, I am fully prepared for these conditions. May good fortune fulfill the hope of my heart. Three caskets are gold, silver, and lead. Okay, that is base lead. Now, what is written in the leaden casket? Okay, Aragon reads, who chooses me must give an hazard all he hath. Okay, now Aragon is telling, lead must look better or more attractive before I give everything or take a risk for it. Next, he reads the instruction in the golden casket. Who choose me shall gain what many men desire. Okay, what many men desire. Now, Aragon tells that the word many may stand for the crowd, the mob, which is made up of fools. These fools choose things because the things look beautiful. They too choose so because they never understand anything more than what they can see with their eyes. They understand only which is shown by their foolish eyes. And therefore, Aragon tells that they are just like, these foolish people are just like martlet. Okay, now what is martlet? Martlet is a bird. Okay, now martlet builds its nest not in a sheltered place but upon the outer walls of building. In rough weather the martlet nest has to face the strong wind. Now Aragon tells that I will not choose what many men desire, okay, because I will not jump with common spirit and rank me with barbarous multitudes. Now, this barbarous multitudes is means uncivilized and uncultured crowds of people, okay. Once again, listen. Aragon is telling, I am not going to choose what many men desire because I am not prepared to agree with the common people and thus place myself with the uncivilized and uncultured crowd of people, okay. Now, next, Aragon reads the instruction in the silver casket. Okay, now what is written in the silver casket? Who choose me shall get as much as he deserves. Now, Aragon likes it. Okay, Aragon is telling it's rightly said too, because who can try to cheat fortune and secure an honorable position without giving an evidence of his merit? If honor is given only to deserving person, then many people who now have to take off their hats to respect person will not have to make their heads bare. Many men who now command because they are falsely respected will have to make orders from others. Okay, look, here is telling how many be commanded that command. Okay, he likes this instruction. Okay, and next he tells that he will select the silver casket. He tells, give me a key. Okay, he will select the silver casket. Okay, up to here. In my next video, I will continue with this scene. Until then, goodbye.